Ever pondered over the complexities of video production and how artificial intelligence could potentially simplify the process? In today's digital landscape, AI-powered tools are reshaping the way we create, edit, and enhance videos. Consider Adobe Premiere Pro, a professional video editing software equipped with AI-powered features. Adobe Sensei, its AI engine, automates editing, detects scenes, and fills content-aware spaces. While not an all-in-one AI solution, it does offer robust editing tools, and it seamlessly integrates with other Adobe Creative Cloud apps for additional capabilities. On the other hand, InVideo, an online video editing platform, also harnesses the power of AI. It offers automated editing, text-to-video conversion, and template-based video creation. Its user-friendly interface and wide range of customizable templates make creating professional-looking videos a breeze. Then there's Vidnami, previously known as Content Samurai. This cloud-based video creation platform employs AI to automate video production. With features like automatic voiceovers, text-to-speech conversion, and intelligent scene transitions, it's an ideal tool for crafting marketing videos, tutorials, and social media content. Filmora is another contender in the realm of AI-powered video editing software. It focuses on video stabilization, color correction, and audio enhancement. While it may not offer as extensive AI functionality as other platforms, its user-friendly interface and array of editing tools enable the creation of professional-quality videos. Lastly, let's shine a light on DaVinci Resolve. This professional video editing and color grading software incorporates AI-driven features for object removal, facial recognition, and automatic color matching. It offers advanced editing capabilities and integrates with other Blackmagic design hardware and software for a comprehensive video production workflow. Each of these platforms, while not encompassing all the qualities mentioned, provides a combination of AI-driven features for various aspects of video production, editing, and enhancement. Depending on your specific needs and preferences, you might find one or more of these tools helpful in creating high-quality videos with AI assistance. The world of AI-powered video production is vast and ever-evolving, and these tools are just the tip of the iceberg. So embark on this exciting journey of AI-powered video production and see how it transforms your creative process.